Alright, so let's get right into it. There's this myth that millennials are financially doomed, buried under debt, but that narrative is outdated, especially as we look towards 2025. Welcome. Today, we're diving into how millennials are building wealth in 2025. Stay tuned to discover the top strategies making a difference. It's about smart, innovative, and unconventional approaches. We'll break down these strategies and why they're effective for millennials. If you're a millennial looking to up your financial game, you're in the right place. Let's smash that like button and get started. Alright, first up, let's talk about cryptocurrencies. Millennials are diving in, and many are seeing significant returns. It's not just about buying Bitcoin and hoping for the best. They see the potential for massive growth, even if it comes with equally massive swings. The key here is how they're approaching the inherent volatility. Many millennials are allocating a specific, often smaller percentage of their investment portfolio to crypto. They might be dollar-cost averaging to mitigate the impact of price swings, or they're treating it as a long-term, hold-on for dear-life play. Millennials are leveraging online communities, white papers, and independent analysis to try and separate the wheat from the chaff. Ultimately, for many millennials, investing in cryptocurrencies is a calculated risk, an asymmetric bet where the potential upside significantly outweighs the initial investment. Okay, let's shift gears from the digital Wild West to something a bit more tangible: real estate. For many millennials, buying a house, let alone an investment property, can feel like an impossible dream. Enter real estate crowdfunding. Instead of one person needing to come up with hundreds of thousands of dollars, platforms allow multiple investors to pool smaller amounts of money together to invest in real estate projects. The benefits here are pretty compelling, especially for millennials. First, the lower capital entry point is huge. Second, it allows for diversification. And third, it can offer a relatively passive income stream through rental yields or profit sharing. Despite some risks, real estate crowdfunding is offering millennials a pathway to participate in real estate wealth generation that simply didn't exist in the same accessible way before. Chapter 3. The Hustle Culture, Multiple Streams, Maximum Impact. The traditional model of one job, one salary just isn't cutting it for a lot of millennials. So, what's the response? The rise of the side hustle and full-blown immersion in the gig economy. This isn't just about making a few extra bucks anymore. It's a core strategy for financial advancement. The gig economy offers incredible flexibility, allowing people to work when and where they want. Successful millennial hustlers are often incredibly disciplined with their time management, balancing a full-time job with their entrepreneurial ventures. They're learning about marketing, customer service, and basic accounting. Crucially, many are not just spending the extra income, they're strategically reinvesting it. In 2025, the ability to generate income beyond a traditional 9-to-5 is not just a trend, it's a vital component of the millennial wealth-building equation. Chapter 4. Investing with a Conscience, the Rise of ESG. Millennials are values-driven, extending to their financial decisions. ESG investing, environmental, social, and governance, is surging. They want their money to do good, or at least not do harm. Countless ETFs and mutual funds are now ESG-focused. Financial advisors offer ESG portfolios. Millennials research companies' broader impacts. Companies with strong ESG practices can outperform peers. Sustainable investing is mainstream, redefining wealth to include positive global impact. Chapter 5. Knowledge is Power, the Financial Literacy Boom. Millennials are actively seeking out financial knowledge and empowering themselves to make informed decisions. They're learning how to create and stick to a budget, tackle debt management, and understand different investment vehicles. The internet has democratized financial education. They're watching YouTube channels, listening to podcasts, reading blogs, and taking online courses. The accessibility of information is unprecedented, and millennials are taking full advantage of it. The beautiful thing about financial literacy is that it compounds, just like money. Ultimately, this commitment to financial education is about empowerment. In 2025, this proactive approach to learning and understanding finance is perhaps the most powerful secret weapon millennials have in their arsenal for building lasting wealth and security. Chapter 6. Your turn to build. Take these strategies and soar. So, there you have it. Key strategies millennials are using to build wealth in 2025. From leveraging cryptocurrencies and real estate crowdfunding, to embracing side hustles and prioritizing financial education. The common thread is proactivity and adaptability. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. With the right knowledge and effort, it's achievable. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know which strategies you're using. Until next time, keep learning, keep hustling, and keep building.